SP Setia Bhd has won the tender to develop the Toh Tuck road site by Singapore's Urban Redevelopment Authority. It had been reported earlier that SP Setia had submitted the highest bid for the land and as such will be forking out some 265 million Sing dollars for the site or 847.6 million ringgit. The site will be home to SP Setia's third development in the city-state following 18 Woodsville and Eco Sanctuary. President and CEO Toh Tuck said that Singapore is one of SP Setia's key markets and it will continue to strengthen and grow its brand presence there. Adding that the property developer is confident that the new development will be an attractive proposition for home buyers and investors alike. The site spans 1.87 hectares and the plan is to transform it into a 5-storey condominium with a GDV of 457 million Sing dollars. Its launch date is scheduled for 2018. Cellco Axiata Group Bhd is placing out 136.63 million shares in its subsidiary, Telco Tower owner and operator edotco Group Bhd to Kumpulan Wang Persaraan or KWAP for $100 million. With KWAP in the fold, this brings edotco's maiden equity private placement to $700 million, surpassing its initial announcement placement size of $600 million. edotco CEO Suresh Sidhu said that edotco now has the advantage of funding flexibility as well as balance sheet capacity to continue to grow the business confidently. While Axiata's president and chief Tan Sri Jamaluddin Ibrahim said that KWAP's take-up of the placement validates the telco's investment in edotco. As for KWAP, its CEO Datuk Wan Kamaruzaman Wan Ahmad said the pension fund has been impressed with the tower operator's growth over the past 5 years and is eager to ride along. Final allocation of the private placement now stands at $400 million to Innovation Network Corp of Japan, $200 million to Khazanah Nasional Bhd, and $100 million for KWAP. edotco has a presence in Malaysia, Cambodia, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. Astro Malaysia Holdings Bhd has inked an agreement with America's Amazon Web Services Inc. in order to spur its digital and business transformation. Its chief Datuk Rohana Rozan said the move will help Astro to better serve people's increasingly digital lifestyle, adding that the collaboration with Amazon Web comes at a critical time as it prepares itself to serve the next generation of consumers. The agreement with Amazon Web would enable Astro to capitalize on the US-based company's cloud computing services. Rohana also outlined Astro's aim to digitalize at least 75% of its current technology infrastructure, applications and processes by year-end, and that for 2017, Astro needs to reinforce its market strengths and address any existing gaps. Petronas Chemical Group Bhd has given its stamp of approval to its final investment decision for an isono-nano plant within Pengerang Integrated Complex down south, and the price tag $442 million. The project is expected to come on stream by the second half of 2019 and will be undertaken by a wholly owned subsidiary. Petchem explained that the proposed plant would have a production capacity of 250,000 tonnes per annum and marks its entry into a niche business with a high entry barrier. The group added that the transaction would not have any effect on its share capital, earnings or net assets of the group. The property market continued to decline in 2016, stats from the Valuation and Property Services Department reveal. Its Property Market Report 2016 showed that there was a decline of 11.5% in volume and a 3% decline in value compared to 2015. And the number of new launches also reduced from 58,000 in 2015 to 53,000. Deputy Finance Minister Wan Dato' Othman Aziz said that local authorities and property developers must exercise due diligence before arriving at a development decision in order to avoid oversupply. He added that the policies introduced by Bank Negara work positively in curbing housing price speculation, explaining that the increase in housing price had slowed to 5% in the fourth quarter of 2016 compared to a 7.2% increase in 2015 and an 8% increase in 2014. However, Othman did not give a prediction as to when the property market would start improving.